These new glasses shoot 3K video from your face, and they are the brand new Oakley Metas that went for pre-order on July 11th. Now, I ordered these Oakley Metas not just because they're cool, but they may be the future of filmmaking and content creation. Now, since 2023, I've been using the Bose Frames that I'm actually wearing right now. And they're essentially audio-only smart glasses from Bose. But I've been looking to get into the Meta system, not only because of the cameras, but these Bose Frames have been discontinued for a bit now. They're a lot less weatherproof, if weatherproof at all. They're starting to fall apart, and since they're discontinued, it's just time to look for new glasses, which is why I've been looking at the Ray-Ban Metas for a little bit. When Oakley announced their partnership with Meta, and the fact that they shoot 3K video up to 30 frames per second, 12 megapixel photos, I decided maybe the Oakley Metas are the glasses I should be looking into instead of the Ray-Ban Metas, although these special edition glasses are coming out at $500 instead of the announced $400. I'm sure you're paying kind of a pre-order premium just like we did with the white red Komodos back in the day. But I've been interested to see what these Oakley Metas are about, so I instantly jumped on the pre-order on July 11th so I get them as quick as possible. Unfortunately, I'm heading to Italy in a few days. I thought they would be here in time, but they're actually not going to get here till the end of the month, so I'll be playing with them when I get back. Now, as I mentioned before, these Oakley Metas are going to have 3K video features, which means it's not just a whole new level for POV filmmaking, but you have a camera with you everywhere, more than just having something like a GoPro, an Osmo, the cameras we've traditionally had to wear as helmet cams or whatever we need to in order to have point of view filmmaking. Now you can see I use an Osmo Action 5 pretty much as my point of view camera all the time. And although I've pre-ordered the Oakley Metas, I don't see them replacing my Osmo Action 5. I don't just wear my Action 5 all the time to get videos of my bike rides, but I also use it as a security camera system, which I made a video on. I'll leave a link to in the description below. But I don't see the Ray-Ban Metas being a deterrent for people in situations like me being here on the bike and people realizing I'm recording or not recording. What I see them doing is being the camera that you can use to film anything at any point in time. They're not going to have unlimited video recording. You're going to be stuck with whatever's built into them. Plus, it's not like you're going to be able to mount them on a helmet or a car and replace GoPros or action cameras for those uses in general. But, you know, you're out and about, you're at a concert, whatever it may be, and you don't want to necessarily have to bring an action camera or use your phone to get video shots. You may also want your point of view. And that's where these types of glasses, this technology really comes into play. So just imagine using your glasses to shoot cinematic B-roll from your eyes, scouting a location for an upcoming project, or just shooting behind the scenes video, filming all day long without having to hold a camera with you all day. But let's keep things real here. The Oakley Metas haven't officially been released. We haven't been able to get them in our hands yet. So we don't know about things like battery life in real world use, control over the cameras, stabilization, things like that. We don't have them in our hands. So we're not really gonna know what this thing is fully capable of until we actually see them. Now keep in mind, these Oakley Metas, they're not a replacement for a cinema camera. They're really a tool. Like for all content creators, filmmakers, different cameras are different tools to help us create different kinds of video. This just happens to be a camera that we'll have on our face potentially at all times. So yeah, this isn't gonna replace cameras I have like the red Komodo or the Sony FX30, but it is going to supplement them and let me take and create shots that I haven't been able to with those cameras. So as a filmmaker, I've been waiting for these next steps and to see what Oakley and Meta do together with these Oakley Metas, and that's why I pre-ordered them. We'll see what this product ends up being, and I'm really excited to be testing this and making some content here for the channel. So what do you think? Are these things a game changer, a gimmick? Let me know in the comments below. As soon as I get these glasses in, I'm going to be putting them to the test. So also let me know any questions, anything you want to see me test out. I will feature them in the upcoming review of the Oakley Metas. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you all for joining me. And until next time, my name's Jeff Fagien. I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.